Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with minimal setup. Make a master calendar database in Notion and define date, title, and source properties so entries merge cleanly. Once done, gather your sources, export CSVs, connect Google Calendar, or locate Notion pages you'll pull from. Then, import or link one source to test field mapping. Make sure dates import as date types and titles map to title. This first step prevents duplicate schemas later and explains why consistent properties matter for filtering, sorting, and future automations. Next, import or sync each calendar into the master database, one at a time, mapping columns deliberately, date to date, event to title, and add a source tag. As you go, apply a temporary filter to show only new imports so you can catch mismatches. Use a unique ID or combination of title plus date to detect duplicates and add an automation or formula to flag duplicates automatically. Once multiple sources are present, create synced calendar and table views to verify merged entries and to adjust sorts and time zones. To finish, create automations or formulas that normalize time zones, deduplicate using ID checks, and handle recurring events so your master calendar stays clean. Then, test all views and share them with collaborators. Lock critical properties to avoid accidental edits. If something goes wrong, first check that date properties are truly date type, confirm time zone settings across sources, and verify your duplicate identifying formula works. If duplicates persist, filter by source and re-import only the missing entries to resolve inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.